Big sigh.
So what are we having, DDD?
Privacy. What's that, my little Trotsky?
A special soy sauce.
Why don't you put some on your rice?
No, darling. It's for your eyes only.
Catchy.
Have a taste, boob chick.
Gladly. Now, where were we? Rice?
I can't! I've fallen madly in love with you. And now I must not only disobey Ben Claw's orders to destroy you, but I must reveal every detail of his secret plan.
I was counting on that.
Bent Claw is the person behind the stolen dog food plot. He's planning to hijack the last shipment of canned food tonight. You must stop him.
A flying doghouse. That's how Bent Claw grabs the cargo planes.
The craft must be destroyed before it can go out again. Quick, give me something loud.
A 20-megaton tennis ball.
Ooh, I like it. Now, go find Cher Rubik and bring troops.
But you'll be all alone, DDD. One dog against overwhelming odds.
Piffle! I thrive on solo missions.
What a guy!
Fetch that! You jokers!
Hey! Someone will let me out?
Hey, thanks, chum.
Oh, what's flat and empty and goes clang? Your head! Ha ha!
You are quite the troublemaker, Mr. Dare. My secret plane is destroyed. You will pay for that.
How about in 10,000 easy installments? Ha ha ha!
Always the wit, huh? I know who you are, Mr. Agent from F.I.D.O.
And I know who you are, Bent Claw. Just another money-grubbing mutt with delusions of grandeur.
A mere cover-up, Mr. Dare. I am really the head of Hydrant.